Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Dogecoin. We're going to do a full update again. I have some good news and some bad news to tell you. The good news is that we talked about this scenario, all right? And in the Signal group I have, in which I share my own trades, we actually managed to buy Dogecoin right here at 32.2 cents, 34.2 cents, excuse me. So we caught the bottom, already took some profits, but we'll see where that goes. But in general, we talked about this scenario yesterday. I still thought it was most likely that we would be able to hold 38 cents, but unfortunately we got some news that was unexpected, in my view at least. And that was about the monetary policy of the US. Now, some of you might say, why does the monetary policy of the US matter for Dogecoin, a meme coin? Good question, but it does, all right? And the expectation or the outlook for 2025 became a bit more bearish for risk-on assets, which Dogecoin for sure is. So that caused some bearish pressure throughout the markets. And what it also caused is some specific bearish pressure for altcoins. Now, I think Dogecoin, if you compare it to most other meme coins, it's holding up extremely well, all right? If you look at something like Bonk, or BOEM even though that's a bit of a smaller meme coin, those have suffered much more than Dogecoin. And Dogecoin right now, I mean, if you zoom out to the daily time frame, what you can see is that we just bounced off of the 382 fib and the 50 EMA. But we'll see, because this scenario we talked about yesterday, and this was, in general, this could be a very bullish scenario. But the main thing that we need to do, and that's what we talked about yesterday, is now we need to actually get... we need to turn this into a bear trap, all right? Because what we did is we broke down below this level here around 38 and 37 cents. Purely technically, that is actually quite a strong support level. So breaking down below that is definitely not bullish. But I think looking at the market right now, I mean, it's a bit difficult with the Bitcoin dominance like this, and I certainly don't like that. But Bitcoin itself seems to be holding up fine. Actually got a bullish breakout here above 101,000, so that's a good start. But I think the market's kind of overreacted to the news. And I think overall Bitcoin is recovering nicely now, but I also think that Bitcoin is more likely going to be strong here. Now, like I said, the Bitcoin dominance could still kind of spoil the fun with Dogecoin, because what we need to see now is it turn into a bear trap. So we need to get a breakout above 37.5 and 38 cents. That's going to be quite hard. So that's something we'll have to monitor over the course of today. I do think we will retest that level. If you take a look at the liquidity heat map, you can also see there's a ton of liquidity to the upside. Now, liquidity like this doesn't always get grabbed. But it's going to depend on Bitcoin. And in my eyes, it looks most likely that Bitcoin is going to get some sort of recovery here. Therefore, I think Dogecoin also has a chance, in combination with being one of the strongest meme coins, so in general being a strong coin, and in combination with the liquidity to the upside, I think Dogecoin has a chance to actually do something like this, get a bear trap, get back into 41 cents, and then the main support level is around 38 cents again. But even though I slightly think this is most likely, I would only trade this if we actually get the breakout or the reclaim, all right? So that I'll keep you updated on. That's also something you need to keep an eye on yourself, because if we're unable to break back above 37 and 38 cents here, like if we just find resistance there, then we're going to be bearish, all right? And then we'll drop back down into 32, potentially even 30 cents. And that is a realistic possibility. Because of my expectations from Bitcoin, I don't think this is most likely. But like I said, I mean, if Bitcoin doesn't give us that move up, and if Bitcoin doesn't recover a bit more here, this could certainly happen. So be aware of that. For now, like I said, if you want my price prediction, I'd say something like this is most likely right there. But I'll be back. I'll keep you updated on this. For now, thank you for watching. Have a great day, and bye.